Abusafo high Gypsy News. Mima Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot news enamede brabo. Na ansana and something in Abebano. So we subscribe ya. Bomodi ya say over subscribe. Na like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wofufro so na we be here na wo hu and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memo anam. Afi ye share eye and someone abeto yepno so. Inkuti eye sa report ya aba abeto dwa mo mayiti eye sa report yi.
Na enra ana meti bibi ase hu bibi gi bibi tu mu se sa ban ti akonwa so na obo mmode ya ne budget nye de sa asempapa ni mu asempapa nko na wo ba wuti a ye fa pen ni paper ye pe be be to question nafa ba wuti Ato Forson Ato Forson ni pa boni pa o wa hwe nyame ani pa so ma ye hwe nka wa otono boase afase seda ye ne calculation the obeka edu baby no even the minority were mesmerized wonya hwenka wonya hwenye because one kasa we NPP ni MP na wote parliament wo no wo constituency wo no Akufo Addo nsamfo amudi ye ne niam amantimi aye na Ato Forson so koya ma and honestly I'm so proud of Ato Forson. Sir, also coming from the central region. And right now my betri was through. Now my bread jaho kodai. They say me nyinin kakran tia na chese. What I say? Na eja na me jaho ko. Wo hwe enra. Me nka budget no ho asem na menim say afi na nkrofo beka obi an Kennedy na ntwam because they say the many di akira aye eniam esese ye wo budget nim ene ni be di akira ni ye pushi. Your Excellency, I say a pa award be ma Ato Forson and the Vice President if you say a woman ye mem hai. The Vice President is the head of the economic management team. Ghana ya membo na yebu no. Ye sika sam hyehyɛ ne ntoto ye. Enipa oda no eye Ghana mampani abediakyire. Eti Rollins ekonkansa aka obo no ona na ohwɛ so. Ena Mills beto aso. Kufuor ba na Lehu Mahama ena to aso. Enu achi Professor Mills ba ye John Mahama Net2 so John bae no Pakwese minsata ena hwe so na do bae no kofa Bawumia so beto aso iti Bawumia na introduce other members of his economic management team then wamukọ ena John Dramani Mahama asamba biom the vice president ono so Fantini Professor Jena na Opoku Agyarko. The second time in the history of this country Yenya vice president or a professor. And majority of the time, na hupa. Rollins offer John Evans 50 other Mills as the vice president, no. Na only master's degree. And afei John Dramani Mahama also offer Professor Jena no Opoku Agyarko as the vice president also need PhD but all masters. One said they are grown here. And enra na me amani agye. That the very first time ayenya oba vice president of his central region. This is the second time Ayenya finance minister of his central region. Kwesi Botwe of his central. Ato Forson central. This is the second time. And what should critically this is the first time in the history of this country Yenya vice president Ofori One the finance minister every the same region ebi see that in the Fourth Republic. Rollins efa ko enkansan aka kwesibotwe. Professor John Evans Fifiata Mills Kwam Pepra Volta. Then J. Akufo, the Vice President, Yem Papa Alihu Mahama of the Northern Region, First Finance Minister, Ose Adeyo. Your friends say, Oya Adeyi, Osafumafo of Eastern Region, Kojo Kyeremanteng, Ashanti Region. Honorable Akoto say, Kufuor time there were 3 finance ministers, one here Umuda. One answer. Oh, in know I can for, and an Ali Mahama, if in Northern Region. Kufuor kwa na Prof. Samuel Sabaye. Prof. Samuel Sabaye no for John Dramani Mahama on usu yesiribni. And obefa Kwabena Agyapong Asante finance minister. Because Rollins na kofa Kwabena Agyapong fi London buy. Let me tell you a little about Kwabena Agyapong. Maybe you don't know. Rollins echo London. That time na your bank baby on Krofo Krosi. Kwabena Agyapong na hweso. Your bank na so am London. Na Rollins ko duru ho no said Kwabena Agyapong si be buy niam ani kire no. E no ka kire say brafi. Na Rollins ko bie bibi ade mi rafi. Na or commission project bi. Eti Dr. Kwabena Agyapong ejina na chi. Eti o try to say, where is my governor of the Bank of Ghana? You know Rollins, ono kind of bam, no kwade baby, saso no be. Where is my governor of the Bank of Ghana? Meanwhile, there was a governor of the Bank of Ghana. And I say, the governor is here. I say, no, this is not a governor. I'm talking about this one. I'm talking about this one. Kwabena Agyapong, pine. Kwabena Agyapong be governor of the Bank of Ghana. No, I don't know. And Professor Mills, FR finance minister, the vice president, no official. Now, John Dramani Mahama, part 1. Now, the vice president, Kwaku Atta. Now, fi Central Western. But, Setepe, or your Kroboni, Ubana na do danko Akufo Addo ne finance minister Ken Ofori Atta, vice president Sufi Srem Bawumia. So in the Fourth Republic, even in the history of this country, Kwame Nkrumah was vice president in that. There was no vice president because no to me the BBR. So in the Fourth Republic, we share economic management. This is the very first timer. Yenya vice president or your head of the economic management team or your fantini. Near saying finance minister or also or your fantini. And then I was proud. In fact, my battery quattro proud fanti. There, your vice president or your besia. Why wasn't Chen Bawumia or your bein? Jenna no Pokwajman is the head of the economic management team. It is a utiasio, opinion. Said the economy in Kono, Jenna no Pokwajman. Bam. Number 2, finance minister. Say, pa me shade any dia. Ato Forson Professor Emeritus. Ken Ofori Atta KG1. One thing, may you repeat it? So what share near my Akoto say na? Ato Forson or a Professor Emeritus. Ken Ofori Atta KG1. KG1 crowd drawing crowd fairly. Senrana, meaning maybe a vice president one come koye na 2. Ko bam no. Say ma, why are there? And Uko Jubilee House. And any baby a first na me pie kwa na ye chimi nti me pie nko no ene ye nchimi nti me ko ho. Now we see what people were saying about the vice president and Ato Forson now. Na mani ache. Enti na a man in Siena Kowu and working still Aremeyaw Because na no poko adjiman on your bar. It is a Oba Edi vice president. Now what me am your dollar no e wo kureba e twi ensamanko baby akodro ni. Now when your finance minister so a what be yi taxes egu ya so free ye kon so. Na owie ye no still aye ntua to do sa to dadara ye to no ye free but still economy ne koba kama. Minya ya ho. Me am citation am omo mienu. Me am Kwaku present.
He is unique. He is
Producer Trotto na ya wakai me.
Captain Smart is the king.
Okay. Fourth Republic way. Rollins awe wo akobedi ho adanse. Message ku forty ase. Obedi ho adanse. Mills wawu. To the emphasis on NDC ni enye hwe. Wo aka ho ba Mills awu. Nanado any J ku forty ase. They are marveled. They are shocked. How within 10 months, the economic management team, led by Jenano Pokwajiman, deputized by Ato Forson,
Captain Smart.
to be re-engineer the faculties of our economy, deployed and employed certain modus operandi just to make sure, say, our situational economics will not be the old, dilapidated, monarchical consumption of political stupidity. But much concentrated on Human Development Index. I'm telling you, who's here for mark in secret? But I just say, we there your co-position. Oye there your co-position. And see, or said that NPP be yibiara onya botar de tinapa ni mumio.
Aho brase de tinapa ni mumbio.
That is why Enkwala and Maya ne wu ye wa elwak no Aremeyaw because Matthias yes so buy vice president it says madi sika bo ma bosom enda o mo botom e ma ne hwefie tutufie woman sika fia bi otumi de ya de kase enti hwe be Ghana economy de dru just 10 months. You know, I know me and this ni me meka no kura na kire o plane. And now I was looking at the demeanor of the finance minister. Who share the way Ato Forson. And when you meet me, I know say many allergy any one former footballer be. Say we finance minister, finance budget reading now. You be cost a meeting do. But he be budget no. E delay ya kokodru ye. Okay. Let me say the demeanor of Ato Forson. Me who bibi. Ato Forson fi finance ministry. Mahama memwo part 1 we mu a. Part 2. The final part trouble be come by way. Mahama call opposition in fear what you know. Okoye a good student. Ato Forson, as a former deputy finance minister, also call opposition in fear what you know. Okoye a very good student. Honestly speaking, I buy way bar. I remember be Ato Forson back up. ya antanase amon komo honorable it say me ho ye captain one more na adwena owo yintirim ni nya adwene de yebru wie sika adwena owo yintirim ni nan de yereba na ya boboa Ato Forson okasa te so bi a wonya cold
Wani.
ye kasa te se wonya cold no e wo se de ya dwente Mahama kasa se wonya cold
Wani.
just about 10 minutes enemy who adwene wa Ato Forson tirim
I don't know.
many vice president Jena no Kweku Annan yeko is it commander no free no
Ojai.
me wa man kasim me bo me bra enyo mo na frame se me nkoja wo mo eno ye fa na hwehwani mu akwantu me ana me ye me salam ti o me ntimi ntwantro no I don't know how to do that thing it's me share as a president to kwanya aya na motorcade no ebe 6 or more Mahama a charitable jai Owusu for nti etoda wontimi hu say president na ebo say vice president na ebo etoda wo hu Mahama depose no kakra ka ho ye hu aya depose no
I don't know.
it's me study convoy no and I'm share enema ba kom yenu miensa bi a aya na wo esua security de be ho ye fa bi convoy etiquette but odo unim bibi Ghana ye ni convoy etiquette
Wait.
bi no ye ni presidential convoy security we don't have the etiquette we don't have the presidential convoy security it is just there's a head of the convoy. Yes, you are number 1, you are number 2, you are number 3. Tango, Yango, then soldier for pussy for bro. Are you ready? Okay. Sound your siren. Let's see if it is working. Go. Yes, tango 2. Go. Who said so? Pussy for the dear Limono, siren in Juma. And I have studied from Jacob first time. That is why. No, I had them in person. I can't say be.
Ojai.
Edu baby ni papa bi e fa shaibu no e post ni.
Wani.
Say toda na Akufo betu kwan a na me fun ya mete ha yi. No, this one is all right. This is me no kokoso hine de. Ese na busuafo Ghana for it to be ye bibi ma won. Cause the name of ye to protect Kufo no a serious thing. Me meti asenti me yi me hu mfrim. Kokoso hine frim. And I realized that you need convoy etiquette. And convoy etiquette na ye ni wo security di mu no. And into the president, the convoy na if you wa aba no, omunya accident no. Kufo nya accident miensa as a sitting president. Rollins unya 6. Professor Mills unya mienu. John Mahama first one unya mienu. Sesi ai the convoy nya baako. The convoy etiquette no enya right. You see, say asini ye ade the advanced practices. Mitwisha UK. Say prime minister call omo parliament o say den no na. One crown one convoy etiquette no mistakes wom. And one day ebiana enye one day. Metimi de message bi akire wo. Na wahwa ade bi one day the better. And Ebusafo, you know something? You do baby a home. It's me sa na me say me ye hwehwe ni mu akwantu obi he convoy ni din wa man kase say we the vice president kewo ye be ko me na ko di animu convoy am ko di animu me hu say car na di animu no either say driver no slow onim convoy precision so with the convoy man will be a friend conjecture analysis. So we a driver with the convoy man conjecture analysis. I realize that driver need me. Now me use me Ford F-150. Ah, na soon.
When
na my wine am tem. Cause no more to be an count.
when
Na me bike me do 150 kilometers per hour.
when
Me bike me bike say ah ba. And it's name baby o mo But I could read because of convoy conjecture. So when a woolly dinner signal no crab and yet clear, you should be able to deduce plus or minus. Baby umbefa. And this is security. And so what I'm saying no, so Vice President Matissa yes say Obeko commander there. This team commander Ombeko. Come on, come on. Ostaga, your friend Staga. Ostaga. So the convoy in the corner back car be what's on the chain. Okay. I needed to do that. It's the Vice President, only mini commander pe. Me koye hwehwe ni mu akwantuo. Eti wunim wo ma huni pa na or driving F-150. Okay. Until I got to commander, then they got to know, oh, say captain.
when
This is the very first time Kenya Oba Vice President. And this is the very first time when we see economics at our university, there has been a serious educational dissipation of their thinking. When we see school economics, they have been dissipated. Their frontiers are being mesmerized. They are actually thrown out of joint. They cannot fathom how things are being done. Eti we share economics we don't catch say oh aban na nya hwe and a dollar ne kofom ti say aban ne fi say waye bibia opomra mekere ya de kona waye nti a dollar ne kofom say sa na tell the na Mahama ti say Moses
when
or the abab keke bopum na mu abie cause ponya aba na de biem and na no poku agban o to say Joshua okojina Hebron na wato abo abegu atamfo so na wakum won and here Ato Forson yey o to say Yesu moja aso form asase wo so because so nya hwe I was excuse my French before you Jimmy listen me no deal na mu so we tuntum te say me a o madua me no deal say me no bon komo na we tuntum am I wadun say me respect o me tirim me nim say wajimi bang my to e ne bon komo me nim say wajimi Jerry me nim say wajimi we tuntum me nim say wajimi we tuntum kra free tuntum asase so na we kokko me no deal me nim say wajimi. Because the point is that at the time man nipa epem kɔ anim no enye se ye nim nyansa wo tie bi ye ma kire Jimmy no in the context of this discussion on father also to you enye se ye nim nyansa ba ye sheda se ye mfa nyansa ne nya adwuma ne de your problems be kwa hye Nyankopɔn enti NPP na tibi gina parliament tibi ka kire se enipa nsia na ewu ye na omo ye mate so no ano they see ye nan say and sada na Nyankopɔn ahye se omu but o Nyankopɔn adwin madam are you called God's brain and me cry your friend God's brain cry no mentime hu nyame adwin
bibini na bibini grab e de wiase
and we've gotten to a point mo amose mo akɔ school mo asua de no I am fa fie nyansa to to say Akufo na ye hu say school empare kwasea e wo empare kwasea that is why I bet you share professor no we getting 16 bottles not that got them na ne ba wa SSA tuka akofa na kofie wo me no ho na agimi
Kekeko mama Kekeko sabe na che
eti me hwa Ato Forson na me hwa Jane na no poko agimaya person say Mahama wa relaxed otu ya do person ya bia Mahama obetu kwan akoma bia person otu bia do you know why finance minister no intact vice president intact eti obetu ya tene to his left and then begin to start his sequential analysis of whatever he wants to do. And then he can employ his maneuvering quotient to say that, no, this one I can do it. So let me do it. Because there's a competent vice president and there's a super competent finance minister. Bia saban bia be kan budget I offer for journalist nko foko kwaji sika I don't know unko bi da oh friend nko foko kwaji sika because finance minister be kind budget say dey be ya wo presenter na out TV any radio so obetimi SQ no scheme discussion no me nim baby I share presenters your friend me plan come nko ana me yes was Ato Forson na kro wo sika de be friends and show for say jikodi na ko ka bi ba me because maybe a system dey draw no wa we a presenter we a journalist ben kan kwase asem because our NPP aban fun na atwa mu na me ka ho bi no what the two way ho a asa sura bofo ne sasabonsam nana ndey
Miss Malai Miss Malai we be do
me budget ne men kan ho asem ne and you see nana do buga na to say yeah serious discussion we say be kwa friendly match and I am hoping mo amoye aswafo e wa ban we mu no mo mama dwen kofom mo fo manin tu fam na mo mama nyansa nko wiem na mo hu se nipa na amudi na chi no onya bibi papa bi a obeye
na Boakye to remove the third.
So man you careful
Nkwanta mahi
ebedu baby do ho ebe hadwe Mr. National Security Coordinator Openi Razak say producer ehina youth be an microphobic board. I don't want to use the word youth. One board dumping. I say ya chi galamsey ni bi nti ye kwa dancing bronga half for baby. Brony krum. Enye youth na person mo yesa. Enye youth na person mo yesa. They said that from so one. And when you are building a country and you are not able to read the prefaces of tribes and how they operate, how people think that somebody is doing better, one of the critical things are it's in my two Kwame Nkrumah. Let me tell you today, maybe I wouldn't mind the the centralization of the intelligence unit of this country. Kwame became the pivot of the intelligence cycle of this country. It's where intelligence officer and all gather information here. You have to wait for the president. So when that president now, you don't tell anybody. Kwame could have, or I could have, decentralized certain aspect of the intelligence cycle of this country, so that without a vice president, I could have managed the lapses in our security. It is a intelligence for no gather information via intelligence via I don't keep here till they meet the president. At a point they were frustrated. At a point the security, the intelligence people were frustrated. When the president is out of town, there's no vice president. You got to wait for the president to come. When him say do baby or Kwame Nkrumah move, they the intelligence report. Ekoma man kesim hima amemisa. Because they thought that on the proposee title no Sergeant for no man Kwame Nkrumah. Nti sa na tie dia e bia wo de o hwe na wo benya ne ntem. Eti mami we mienu, mami we miensa, mami we enan. Enti na man kesim hima na ekobo eye Kwame Nkrumah man say JB Dankwa odi wewu ototro nkrata because intelligence for the gather as nkrata no man kesim hima no mkobo na mane. That time na Kwame Nkrumah ko Czech Republic or kwa kofa engineers on baba shoe factory any jute factory e wo Kumase na omuni obi ase so mo bona mane je omko man kesim hima ho amamisa. So Nana Memisa of Mankesim became the custodian of intelligence report and analysis in this country. This is the reason why Kwame Nkrumah overthrowing him was very simple. Said not to Krom had the Ankobi and to know. Ye train him and a and that is why I be so bia penibia okromha time omu call nkrofo ko twitwa so jade na friend Gordon Samanya wo semenu omu twitwa na second judge so na protect Kwame Nkrumah e ma me no. They came to Mankesim him at that time she ran away because they realized that information in your Mankesim him out it is a ye ko twitwa Kwame Nkrumah ma me bodyguard oya igbeni o ni fi aigbe besin konzema say Kwaku twitwa ne second there then we have to look for Mankesim hima o dwane eti o kro bi wa Mankesim ye for ho jedu kro bi ani asase so ni dindi jedu a wrong name mo amu fi jedu mu ntemi kro ni ye friend jedu ye friend Beji Eduro wani Ji Eduro Beji Eduro ye Koji Eduro Ji Eduro Beji Eduro ye Koji Eduro ani jedu kro bi ani asase so friend jedu Beji Eduro and Kulungugu and Tokwane see ya na komo pa kum Kwame Nkrumah o me de bomb chef flowers no o me ne kosie our central region Mankesim o bank na wie no hono Mankesim hima tam no enta na nkrofo keka se Kwame Nkrumah na oman kesiem enso Ghana so chen oman kesiem. People thought that Kwame Nkrumah na ne girlfriend and Mankesim hima wani yem fesa nkomo nsi ha wani actually ye beto aso pese mi bie woni ayat etoda pese mi bie woni cause e bia we dey 80 years ba minim Ghana chen we dey 100 ba minim Ghana chen we fa nto e ma 6 na ewu ye e wo elwak no Your Excellency acting defense minister Ato Forson SSA ebusa sa ebusuafo so bi wo more qualified so be soldier yen form without any hindrance SSA compensate sa ebusuafo no mama ye nya ne tra ehu eya sa wo baba wa crowd say wo kwa hen me kope soldier di Mami, wahwe me university. Mami, wahwe me senior high school. Ma fill form no, manya ya qualify me. Eti me ko bompaye mami. The mami phone bi kura be kwa koba for there wa sori dem. Na ye wie na akwada ne koya. What ho ne ya fro say ye de wo ba funu. Na ebrel. Eti the SSA ye no nyina ne say Say busuafo na emaye nsia no afi mu no. Yen fe busuafo no na emusa won say. When the woman busua yi mu a age bracket no or qualify. Sempo onya F our mathematics, onya F our English kura because of what happened. Yan consider sa nipa no. Ne ya mabusua ni bia, ebusua bia mba nsia we firi mu no, yan pe nipa baako.
Manu asima ye kuni.
Na ye ma ye wuram.
Wey!
Na omo nkobi. Said ye be ya at least. Wo mu sa nipa da. Ebe kai won bibi. Say a halted recruitment no. Tieni you. Adena esino ama recruitment e de kopa soldier for no ye twa so. What it means is that Sankaye staga a recruitment process now. And me say no okay introduction no. I'll forward this up to the Ghana Armed Forces. Sempeni ne pa. No mo dia adwuma. Omo mpa. Na mo je mato ho. Ya me ya dom na ye ba ye de be ye adwuma. And I'm a shake girl, see, pa said, Musi won't fair. Can we jam no 35-40? Now, or Shannon Chepan or dress it when young Kumpa be a stram and we dear to me at Tosso. When your baby be another dream, yeah, Jumo, Babuano, and Disica, Kama, and your car, Papa be at Nemoa. Can we share some Maya Yabe Ferro? But why? You coon won't. No, yeah, you coon won't. I ain't going to and see, as a second, say, I no Cassay. CDS, Obianka channel, no, our president was say, Your Excellency, I'm so sorry. Joe Crata. Susan. And yes, a CDS, I am from Sobiao. But just one day, recruitment, independence, yeah, and then. But CDS, Ebia and father home. And the office and it's a young Ghana Army in Pennyfona. What would say Army HQ? Sana soldier for the cano. Army HQ. Well, sir, when your statement to be a kind from the Ghana Armed Forces, Anna. When you be okay, Miss Me.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.